the barbed wire, spread the word, light the bonfire and call the girls. King and the